Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Flaws, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the DRACO VENTARE aluminum bumper for your iPhone 5S and your iPhone 5. Now this is the Ducati edition. If you don't know what Ducati is, just Google it. But everybody else in the real world knows that Ducati is major when it comes to the racing scene. Shout out to everybody who's seen the other DRACO products I reviewed. You've seen the Ducati S4 bumper. You've seen the HTC One bumper. You've seen the other iPhone 5 bumpers I did. Y'all already know that when it comes to DRACO, you're getting top of the line quality, top of the line presentation. This is the big boy stuff right here, all right? This is quality right here. And there ain't nothing changed with this one. So let me pull up the website real quick so you can see where I got it from. All right, DRACOdesign. That's the web address right there. If you look at their website, they got all the aluminum bumpers, all the polycarbonate bumpers, all the protection plates. They got stands, cables, touch pens. They got everything here. All right, so let me show you the actual VENTARE A case. Now, this case will run you $100. As you can see, you can buy some accessories with it. If you want, you can get the smart strap. You can get the charging cable and sync cable. You can get the tempered glass screen protector. They got a bunch of different add-on accessories. Here goes a product description. Now, you can pause this and read it for yourself. I'll just read a little bit of it. Under the collaboration of Ducati and DRACOdesign, VENTARE was forged to be the world's first-class aluminum bumper for the iPhone 5S. Inspired by Ducati's 1199 Panigale S, VENTARE, blown in Italian, is designed bumper case that captures the beauty and racing DNA of Ducati. Like I said, Ducati is major in the racing scene. So pause all of that, read it for yourself, or go check it out at the website. As you can see, it comes in a bunch of colors. I don't know if y'all can see close, but it comes in red, white, black, gray, gold, and silver. All right, so a bunch of different cases. A bunch of different colors to choose from. $100 for this. All right, so let's pop it open and see what it looks like. Now, y'all already seen the other Ducati videos I did, so you already know that this ain't no joke right here. This is definite quality right here. This was actually my favorite bumper case for my HTC One. I just took it off a couple of weeks ago, but I rocked it strong for a bunch of months straight. Look at this presentation right here. Beautiful. Okay, this is the VENTARE A. Ducati neck strap and touch pen included for free. If you look at the back of the box, it just shows you the mounting instructions on how to put the case on real quick. I'll go through all of that so you can see it for yourself. Officially licensed product. All right, so this is a win right here. Let's open it up and see what you get inside the box. So you get the actual bumper. As you can see, that's not plastic, that's aluminum. Okay, you get the books and shit. You know how that go. Let's check out the actual strap now. Let's see if I could get this open. I'd have to pull it behind the camera and go into beast mode real quick. All right. Okay, so you get the touch pen. So use that on your touch screen. And you get the official Ducati neck strap. DRACOdesign and Ducati. This is a winning combination right here. All right, I'm definitely going to be rocking this to the car meets because people who that tend to know, especially gearheads, once you see Ducati, you already know what it is. All right, so now you got the actual case right here. Now, there should be a screwdriver in here somewhere. Let me look through this real quick. All right, my bad. Now, I was looking around for the screwdriver. Y'all seen the last video I did for the DRACO bumper cases. It comes with a little screwdriver and a plastic bag. Well, this one is upgraded now. Remember I showed y'all the touch pen? This actually doubles as the screwdriver. So once you unscrew it, you get your extra screws inside and you get an updated version of the screwdriver. So this is definitely a good look right here. All right, so let me show you how to install the case. You got some screws in the top. All you got to do is unscrew them. Now, I'm doing this behind the camera, so it might take a couple of seconds longer. Okay? And all you got to do is slide your phone right in here. Okay, so I just took out those 2 screws at the top. Line up everything. Make sure your buttons work before you close it down. Let's make sure my buttons is working real quick before you put the top back on it. Hold on, let me come from behind the camera real quick. Okay, so we got the switches working fine now. Just had to line it up, and you got your volume up and down working fine. All right, once you get that, make sure your power button's working too. All you got to do now is tighten the screws back up. So we're going to tighten these in. Not too tight, because y'all know I like to switch cases a lot, so we don't want to make it too hard to get on and off. Okay. Now, you take your extra screws, put them back in here, close this up. You can attach this to your keychain or whatever, so you have your touch pen on deck at all times, and you also have your screwdriver on deck at all times, so if you want to take this off and put on your gym case. Now, this also comes with the Ducati sticker. Last time I had this on the back of my S4, Matt, people was asking me about this. This is just a sticker. Little 3M sticker. Stick it wherever you want. If you want, you could cover up your Apple sign. If you're not a big fanboy, put it right there, cover up your Apple sign, do whatever you want. But the case looks sick. All right, this is a full aluminum bumper case, aircraft aluminum. Now, as you can see, I got the gold iPhone 5S, so now my gold back is still out. But we went with the red. Y'all see me rocking the red S4 version like this. So now we got the matching one for the iPhone 5. If you look at the top, you have your power button. See, it works. No problem. On the right side, you have your actual switch for your silent. You get your volume up and down buttons. Everything works. On the bottom, you got your cutouts for your speakers, cutouts for your lightning adapter, cutout for your 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, keep in mind, you could screw this from the bottom or the top, your choice. But you got your screws on the bottom. You know, you don't have to unscrew the bottom to put the case on. On the side, let's get into focus right here, if we can. Created by DRACOdesign. So nice company branding on the side, but the case just feels great in the hand. You see how it's designed? You see how it swerves in like this? So when you're holding it, you get a nice firm grip to it. And the red and black color looks sick. So $100, this is a definite win right here. You got your Ducati branding on the front. And like I said, people that know what it is, know what it is. Right? People who know what it is, they know what Ducati is. They already know that. This is quality right here, all right? Fine Italian quality. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this case a certified win. All right, now I'm about to go all aluminum everything. Shout out to everybody that rock with me on Instagram. Y'all seen the pictures I posted before when I had all of my aluminum cases on. So we're getting ready to go back to all aluminum everything. And we're going to start off by using this one. This case looks sick. So check out DRACOdesign for yourself. Like I said, top quality right here. This is the real deal. Let me drop my keys on this. Let me throw this around my neck. Drop my keys on here. We're going to keep it moving, all right? Shout out to everybody that rock with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where we at, full time, 100%, full throttle. It's your boy Floss. I'm going to catch up with y'all on the next trip. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss. I'm out. Deuces.